Hey guys, so today's Sunday and today's the day we meal prep and go to the grocery store. We usually like to just go once a week and just buy exactly what we need for that week, just budgeting purposes and all of that. And then so we don't overbuy. When we first moved in together and like lived together and started like going to the grocery store together, me and my husband, I remember like we didn't budget. We just kind of like, oh yeah, we need this, this, and this, and we would end up throwing away so much produce and just like things would just like not be used. We wouldn't like plan it out really. So now we've gotten like pretty good at making sure we only buy like what we're gonna use that week, especially for produce and stuff, which is a lot of what we buy. And then we also got extra produce for juicing, and I'll be showing you guys the two juices that we're going to be making for this week. So if you guys want to see how and what we're going to juice today, just go ahead and keep on watching. Yeah, so we went to Food City just because they have a lot of like the produce is really cheap there, mostly because it's always it's good. It's just usually really ripe. So I mean, if you're gonna grocery shop for like 2 weeks or like even a whole week, I mean, it's a little frustrating because you might, like, it might go bad by the time you use it. So we don't usually shop there, but we did since we were going to juice.
Same day.
Same day, yeah, so we would be able to just use everything.
Same day, juice is the same day. I mean, it's totally, we got all this, it's bang for your buck. We got all this for like 12 bucks. 4 avocados for $1.
So I know the avocados were 4 for $1. These were 2 for 89 cents. These, let me see, what is that, the spinach, it was 2 for, I think, $1. Okay, so here are the juices that we're gonna make, and I wrote them down. So we're gonna make a green juice and a carrot juice. So the green juice is gonna have like pretty much everything that's green except for a half a lemon, ginger, and mint. So it's gonna be green, apple, cucumber, spinach, and kale. And then all of these are just kind of estimations, and you wanna like make sure if you're doing a lot of things that don't have a lot of juice in them, like the kale, the spinach, you want to make sure to put, you know, a good amount of cucumber and like apple and like lemon, stuff like that that's going to have a more juice. And then the carrot one, it's going to be carrot, pineapple, ginger, beets, regular apples, and some mango. We have 2 mangoes in there that we're going to use. So you can pretty much make it however you want, add whatever you want. Just make sure you have like a good amount of like juicier produce with produce that's not going to be as juicy, and then just a good amount of like fruit and vegetables too. So, and then ginger is really good for you. I'm also going to put celery in the green juice just because we have extra celery from last week. We're also going to add oranges in the carrot juice too because they were on sale and they're like huge. So we picked those up, the green apples for the green juice, and then we already have a pineapple over there that's really ripe, so we're going to use that one. And then we ended up buying a little, this is at Fry's though, we ended up buying a little mint plant because we've just been using mint a lot lately. We're gonna meal prep too, but I'm not gonna like show those just because it would be like too long of a video. But if you guys do like want some sort of like meal prepping, like how we kind of do it, so if you guys are interested in that, just let me know. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the juicing. I'll show you guys our juicer and everything. It's a little bit falling apart. We've had it for like 3 years or so. The little spout that the juice comes out, like you literally have to hold it. We have to like glue it on because it's just like falling off. And then we lost the container that you use to catch all the pulp, so we just tie a bag around it, around that. We just, it's because it just sounds really loud in the video.
Oh, okay.
We just tie a bag around the spout that like spits out all of the pulp because we lost the little container that's supposed to fit under there. We're gonna make it all on the island over here. So this is what we put the juices in, and they stay nice and fresh like all week. These are pretty inexpensive. These are what, 3, 6, 9, 12. They were about $11. So a little bit like less than $1 each. So alright, so this is our juicer. So this is the part where all the pulp comes out of, and then here is where the juice comes out of. I have to get the spout right now. It's like all dirty right here, but yeah, so there's a little spout that like fell off, but you need it. It's important. And then you can close it, like if you need to close it so the juice doesn't come out anymore, to move the container, and you can have it open like that.
What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Which one?
This one.
Like orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Yeah, that's a good thing. If you don't like certain vegetables, like beets, for example, not a lot of people like beets.
It just tastes like dirt. It tastes like wet dirt. Yeah. Like when you go outside and it rained and you smell the air. That's exactly.
That's probably what it smells like. So, I don't know. I hope you never tasted that. But.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I've tasted beets before, like when you put it in a shake and stuff. Remember? I've drank them before. It's just what it tastes like to me, like wet dirt.
Anyways, all the other veggies kind of mask the taste, but when you look at the benefits of beets compared to the taste, I mean,
it's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah. Those of you guys that are anemic, get some beets in you. They stimulate the liver to create more red blood cells and all types of blood product cells, platelets, different white blood cells. So,
and then ginger, we like to put ginger in both of them because ginger has a lot of benefits too. Hopefully we can make ginger shots eventually.
Yeah, I think we'll get there. All right, looks like we're ready. Here's bowl number 1.
Well, the green one, the spinach is over there because it didn't fit in there. Which one are we gonna do first?
This one.
Okay. And yes, I have to use a stool. But we got a freaking whole pitcher, like half a gallon of juice. It's like half a gallon.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna wash it, like not really wash it super good, but just like clean it out, get all the extra pulp out that got stuck in here, and then we'll make the green juice. But here is the pulp.
Wow, not a lot. Look at that. Wow.
It's because it has a lot of juice. All the fruit that we used had a lot of juice in it. And then we're gonna put these in the mason jars.
You wanna put them in mason jars now?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, let's mix it and then pour them up.
Okay, cool. Okay, now we're gonna do the greens now that we wash this little baby up. I'll do the pushing, okay? Go ahead. Oh shit! Babe, there's no bag. Okay, take 2 with the bag. So the other one made two of these pretty much, right? Yeah. And this one just made 1. So we like to pour it into like something else just so it can like mix up really well. This one will probably just give us like 3.
Yeah, maybe 3.
Maybe 3. Our goal is like to do the 5 drinks for me, 5 drinks for Ramses, and we'll just alternate drinks. So that's why we need 10 drinks. Like 1 a day. So hopefully we can get a little bit more juice out of these rest of these vegetables and make 5 more, because the other one we could make, like, we made exactly 5. Okay, we're gonna add the rest of the stuff. Okay, I think we're done. If you hear Peppa back there, it's Jetty. Jetty and Peppa. So it's about half, right? Mm-hmm. Cool. Oh my god.
Tastes like drinking straight up vegetables, like broccoli. Nothing sweet in there at all. But
Really? Let me see. Can I taste it? No, it's good. It tastes kind of refreshing with the cucumber. Like it doesn't taste like
dirt.
dirt. Yeah. No, it's good. I like it. I approve. Alright, so we're all done. We're gonna start meal prepping. Maybe I'll show some clips of like the stuff that we make. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and say bye.
Bye. Bye.
And I'll see you guys in my next one.